Hi everybody, I'm William Wood and I fished on the BASS and FLW circuit for over 20 years. I have fished with and against some of the top pros in the world. Pros such as Scott Martin, Roland Martin, Michael Iaconelli, Kevin Van Dam, David Fritz, and that's just to name a few. I have a new series out called I Turn Guide Trips into Tournaments. Check it out. All right, we're ready to do some fishing? Yeah. Let's do this. All right, way to go. Okay guys, are you guys ready to fish a tournament?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the only way to do it.
All right, this is tournament day. All right, so it's going to be first fish, biggest fish, most fish. Who's going to win this?
I'm taking the biggest.
Who's going to, oh, we got the biggest here.
I'm taking the smallest.
Taking the smallest.
Oh,
crocodile. Okay, so the first crocodile. All right, we can have a separate tournament for that. You got names? What's your name?
Dimitri.
Dimitri. Where are you from, Dimitri?
Toronto, Ontario.
Toronto, Ontario.
Costa. Broward County, baby.
Broward County. All right, Broward County's in the house.
Lev.
Lev, where are you from, Lev?
Syktyvkar, Russia.
Russia. Okay, cool. All right, let's do it. Okay, hold it right there. Okay, Dimitri with the biggest and the smallest one of the day. You got her. Nice.
Whoa. I think I got the smallest one, guys.
Big one. Move your pole to the left. That's a nice one.
Where's she at? Find out where she's at. She's keep her away from those sticks. Bring your pole higher up, higher up.
Okay, Dimitri is crushing them.
Number 3.
Number 3. We gotta step it up, guys.
I gotta do what I can do, man. I gotta jump in there or something. You gotta have a hook in the water.
All right. All right, the unstoppable Dimitri. Bring your pole high up. High up with your pole. There you go. Okay. Up, we got 2. Hold it right there. Okay, we got a double. That's a catfish. Okay, move yours away. Move yours away. That way. There you go. That might be a nice fish. There, keep your rod bent. Got to keep that rod bent. Nice, nice. Keep her away from those poles. Bring her to me, towards me. Okay.
3 fish on the line, baby.
We got a triple. We got a triple. We got a bass. We got a catfish. Another catfish. All right. A triple. Okay, Costa. 2 on the board.
Yeah, coming for you, baby.
All right, but Dimitri, 3, right, Dimitri? Catfish are going to be the tiebreakers. All right, and a cat. All right.
Number 1.
But the big one.
Fast.
Yeah.
She got a fish. Okay, that is. Oh man, that was a nice fish. Came off. Okay, good. Don't horse her. Ease up, ease up, ease up. Ease up, ease up more. Let her wiggle out of it. Ease up. Gotta ease up, ease up, ease up. Let her go. All right, nice one. Way to go, Costa.
Stop. Clicker down.
Oh, baby.
All right, bring her in. Let me see.
That's the smallest one.
Yes, you won.
All right. Oh, nice. Nice. Easy. Let her. Yeah, she's out. Oh, she came off.
Well, Dimitri, you beat Lev and Costa, catching the first fish, the biggest fish, and the most fish. Congratulations, you won this tournament. If you like these videos, give them a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check this next exciting video out, and I will see you on the next time we turn guide trips into tournaments. See you then, guys.